Saturday afternoon, Department 1-3 cruise in East Ridge. Got a pretty good turnout. Troy's 56. Bruce is 69. Mr. Sturchey's 29 Model A. This is Jeremy's 200. Candy's 86. Our 85. Robbie's handing out flyers for one of their car shows. Yep. I don't think Barry's going to share that. Maybe he will. Car Show Brothers group came. Bill Crown over. Little Fox body. Little Fox body back there. Got a couple of them turbos on it, looks like. Crowd's off a little bit. They got a motor car festival going on downtown. I don't know how many or how long that goes. Nice little SS Camaro convertible. Everybody's standing in the middle. Those cars won't be able to be seen as good. Another little Fox body Mustang rolling in. And that's all the cars. The rest of them just daily drivers. Big old Bonneville. Little Nova SS. Got a lace type paint job on the roof. We had GMC trucks. It sounded pretty good coming in. We got a little bug. Looks like it's got some wider fenders on it than normal. Yeah. Add Sharps 328 and a little Challenger.